Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to change a folder color in ClickUp. So as you can see right here, these folders do not have any colors. So let's add a color to projects. You see these three dots next to the project name and this plus icon. Go ahead and click on this to get the folder settings. Now here, I want you to just come here and click on folder settings, okay? And then we have this option, folder color. I'll go ahead and click on this. You can choose among these colors, or you can add your own colors as well. Okay. And you can also add an optional label to that if you would like. So I'll click on add status right here. You can use this dropper to choose your own custom colors. So I'll make this shade of pink right here. Okay, with this, you can add an optional label to that. Just name it answer ASAP. Go ahead and save this color. There you go. Click on save, right? And now I'll come and use this color. Click on these three dots. Okay, the same way I was showing you, folder settings, folder color, and we'll go ahead and choose this new color we made, okay? So just go ahead and click on folder color right here. I'll take this color, and there you go. It's really that easy and simple.